Okay, guys, welcome back. So today's question is, what is the best time to buy and sell a stock? The only catch is this time, whenever you do, you will get a real-time transaction fee. So you have to make sure that two things. First is whenever you are selling the stock, the actual price will be, or the actual profit will be deducting the fee from it. And now, second thing is, like, you cannot buy another stock until unless you have sold the current buy you have done. So there's are the two things, and you can see the example. Let's take this example very clearly. You have bought it here, you are selling it here. You got what? You got a profit of 7, right? You got a profit of 7 minus 2, that is 5. Now you bought it at 4, you sold it at 9. I mean this point. So you got a profit of 5 minus 2 is 3. So 5 plus 3 is 8. Something like this you have to make. So basically, for this particular purpose, what we have to do is we have to make sure that we will be keeping our head check that are we going to, am I sharing the screen first of all? Am I sharing the screen? Oh yeah, I'm sharing the screen. So sometimes it happens that you have written or you have done everything and then you say, oh, I have not shared any screen as such. So no problem. So now what we are going to do is we are going to have two steps. First is, can I buy today or should I buy today? Should I buy today? Right. How we will determine? We will determine by having a previous profit section, and we will do as like what we can do is the old sell. We will be what we have sold before minus the current price. If this particular section is greater than our previous profit, then we will actually switch our previous profit. And again, the second thing is, should I sell today? In this fashion, your old sell will be improved. How it will be improved? Like this. If you are selling today, that means your old sell, or not your old sell actually, your previous profit, okay, plus your current price and minus your key or fee basically. So if this particular section is greater than your old sell, then you will actually do it. We will simply go with system.println and we will be showing what actually happening, but this is how it is. So to do it is very simple. What you will do is you will have a previous profit and you will declare it as the minimum value you can get, and you can get it like this. And then you can have your old cell, right? What we have named it, we have named it as old cell. You can treat it as 0. Now you go to this guy, you say, let's go through you, right? Let's go through you, what you have in our bucket. So we will do this previous profit, we can say dot max or max value, whatever you have. And here you have to do is old and simply previous profit, comma, old sell minus the price. So in this one, you will actually get the current previous profit you are getting till this point of time. And now you will have old sell. You can say, okay, old sell, if you have got something for me, give me something. So you will say old sell. And here you will do simple, if my previous profit adding the current price minus the fee comes up better than the old sell, you will actually reverse the value or put the old cell value to the current one. Okay. And you can simply return the old cell. Okay. Now you see what's happening here. So you see your answer is coming right. Now this is how you will actually run this problem. But wait, if you are done with this, you clearly understood this, you can close. Okay. But if you have not, let's play with our thing. As we don't have any debugger approach, we will go with this. Okay, so what we will go with simple, we will have P for price. Okay, oh no, B for price, or simply price for price. Okay, and we will have price to be told to us. We will have previous profit to be told to us. Okay, which will be what? Which will be previous profit, right? What are the things? Previous profit. Okay, then we will have a wholesale told to us, which will also be simple wholesale. Now copy the same. After this, what will happen? We will just make sure. So go to this, remove the, or better not remove this. We can say after. Okay. Now let's run and see what actually happens in our code. So this actually happens in our code. Okay. So we can say this guy. So now you see, oh, okay. I'm sorry. I hope this should work. Oh man, my system out is is it like this? No, it is not like this. System.out.println price. Okay, okay. Sometimes when you are working with different languages, it happens. So let us see. So if you see at the first price, your previous profit was indefinitely negative and your old sell was 0. So what will happen to your previous profit? It will be -1. Why it will be -1? Because 0 minus price. Okay. Now, what is your old cell? Your old cell will be 0 even after that, because this is the maximum you can get right now. You cannot get anything, because if you do something else, you will be have to pay a fee and it will be negative. Now coming to the second lap, your profit comes as 3, your previous profit was -1, and this was like this. Now your profit becomes again -1. Why? Because sell minus price is -3, right? And your old sell after it becomes again 0. Why again 0? Because previous profit is -1 plus price is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0, correct? So now you come again to 2. So this time what will happen is your previous profit was this and that. Again, it keeps the same because you can't do anything. Now you comes to 8. Here things goes different. That your previous profit, okay, your previous profit was still -1. Now see here why. Because your previous profit was -1, your selling price was 0 minus the current price was 8. So it comes as -8. That's why -1 is greater than -8. The previous, you have not gotten any profit as such, but your old sell got you something that's called as 5, because your previous profit was -1. So 7 minus 2 is 5. So now you got something here. Till now you can actually make a profit of 5. Now you come and see that what happened here. After at 4, right? Your previous profit was -1, your old sell was 5. So here something is changed. It was -1, old sell was 5, minus price was 4. So it comes to 1. Okay, so that's why previous profit goes to 1. Now, when you calculate the old sell, it keeps on 5 because 1 plus 9 is 10, 10 minus, wait, 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 minus 2 is particularly 3. So your 5 is greater than 3. Now you come to 9. Okay, your previous profit will still remain 1, but your old sell will come as 8. Okay, why? Because here it will be, the main problem is here. Here you are only checking if something is getting triggered by the previous profit. Okay, the namings can be here and there, but actually you can say the current profit here instead of the like the old sell or something like that. Okay, so this is how it will be solved. If you have liked it, please let me know, and I will try to improve the explanation better from the next time. Bye bye.